Howdy friends, it's time for another episode of the Blues Hard Biker. All right, roll the intro, let's hit it. All right everybody, welcome to the Blues Hard Biker channel. Yeah. Hey, if you're tuning in for the first time, I'm John, I'm the Blues Hard Biker, and thank you for stopping and checking out my channel. If you're tuning in for a return, thanks for coming back. I really do appreciate it, all right? Today we're going to have us a little bit of fun. I'm back on the Night Train project, and today we're going to finish off phase 2, which is the lights. I have purchased a black tail light and a black LED headlight. So we're going to pop those in today. They're supposed to be relatively easy to put in. And of course I got the cheap ones because I can't afford to put any more money into this bike than I have to. So these came from Amazon. This one's the tail light. It's from N3 Auto. So this is supposed to fit on a Night Train. I did this bike specific, and that's, you know, you got to be careful and do that, because the first set of turn signals I got, I didn't do it bike specific, and they sent me wrong shit. So, wrong stuff. They sent me wrong stuff. Okay, and then I got a headlight too. This headlight is, I don't really know, made in China. There's no real name brand on this headlight. This is just how they sent it to me. But it's just a plain LED headlight. It doesn't have the running halo around it. It's just simple. It's black. It's dark, so it looked good. All right. This is really something I definitely need, because the regular halogen light is kind of yellow, and the running lights on the turn signals are bright white, and it looks horrible. So this is going to really make the whole front end look great. And of course this is going to make the whole back end look cleaner too with these. So anyways, we'll get started here and see what we can do and see if we can get her done. Okay, well, like I said, there's a little Phillips head screw right here. Get a little Phillips head screwdriver and undo that thing right there. And let's see, is there a nut on the other side of it or something? No, it's coming out. Just kind of felt like it was being kind of loose there. Okay, come on out of there, you. Doesn't want to turn. Ah, there it goes. Looks like I need a bigger Phillips head. Okay, let's try a bigger one. Oh, I'm going to put a little something over this rim, this fender, just in case something falls on it. I don't want that to happen. A little more screwdriver in on this. Pops right out like that, just like that, and there's the old one. And we've got this little ring here too. This has to go on there a certain way, holds the light in place. But there's the old bulb right there. And this is what the new bulb looks like. Okay, so you see, it's got a, and there's the plug that plugs in place of the plug that's on the the light. See, there's the LEDs. We'll plug this in first. It's not going to fit. This, I'll show you what's going on here. This is a shallow frame for the light, and you got all of this stuff in here. Now, I don't know whether I'm doing something wrong or not, but there's no possible way that that is fitting in there with all of that in there. It's just not working. I don't know whether I should send it back or try it on the Sportster. You know, maybe it'll fit on the Sportster. I don't know. Light on the Sportster just fine. Yeah, so this isn't going to fit. So I got to go back to plan A, a new plan. I got to come up with a new plan. See if there's a whole kit that's got this and everything on there that you can buy that's LED or a thinner LED light. Oh, that's really got me down. Well, doggone it. Well, okay, I've been fooling around with this thing for 30 minutes. I couldn't get it to go on. So what we'll do is put it back together the old way with the old light, and then what we'll do is see if that tail light's going to work back there. All right. Oh, let's see. Looks like we got two Phillips heads here. It's probably just holding this globe on, and we'll probably end up having to take a bunch of stuff off to do it. Maybe not. Things did go in there pretty far. Okay. So what we got here? Here we go. Okay, that's what we got. Okay. Red, black, and blue. So let's see what this is here. Colors are these. We've got red, black, and blue. Okay. You can see there's a plug right there. So we're just going to plug it in. We have to put the plug together though here. They have to be in order. So red, looks like we got black, and the outside red and blue are the colors of the wires there. So we need to put those in that plug there. They just clip into those little plugs, and in that order so that it all works right. Okay, let's go check it out here. Let's see what we got. Unplug that, and there we are. That's unplugged. And so okay, so what we need to do, there are actually 4 holes in this for some reason. And it looks like we want to go like, Okay, we want to go like that. So it looks like black is on the far, red is next to it. Looks like it skips one and goes to blue. So let's try that. Then, so we're going to go black. That should plug right in there. Black. Red. And blue. All the plugs fit in there. Well, it's not all the way in. Let's see why it's not going all the way in, because it's the last one and it wants to be the orneriest. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Okay. So I got those plugged in, as you can see here. So let's plug the light in. See if the light works. Okay, let's see where we're at here. No, it doesn't work. Oh, there it goes. It's just, these things have got to be tightened in here. Okay, so there's that. We want it to go this way. Those are going to need a little adjusting. Set that right there. Yeah, the brakes work. Well, it's hooked up right. We're just going to have to do some tightening up on it. Will it go in right there? Of course, it's going to be a bit of a problem getting it in there. No, it's going to go right on. Okay. What I'm going to do is pull this out. Turn this off. Okay. Let's plug her in. Sometimes it goes in one way. Ah, you fucker. Okay. There it is. That was the easy one. I thought that was going to be the hard one. All right, there it is. Cool. Let's take this paper off of here. This plastic. There we are. Okay. All right. Cool. You know what? I should fire this thing up so that it doesn't. pretty good. Well, I bummed out about the headlight, but that works. It looks good too. Yeah. Oh yeah. License plate frame is what I need now. Good. Okay. Well, there you have it. That's the way you do your tail light replacement, and I think it looks good. I think it looks real good. Bike's getting dusty, man. I gotta have to dust it off. Joe wants me to bring it back to him, and he's gonna polish it one more time while it's on the bike. And he wanted me to wait a couple weeks. It's been a couple weeks, but I can't ride it yet. I'm gonna wait till I can ride it. I'll be able to ride it in a couple of weeks here, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, man, good. All right, well, there you are. There you have it. Just gotta send the thing back to Amazon, the headlight, and that's it. Cool. All right. Well, okay, it's the next day here, and it is raining. Raining hard today. Look at this. So no more sunny Central California. It's cold too. Probably in the 40s right now, so it's cold for us. But anyways, took the headlight back. I went ahead and sent it back to Amazon. So I've got to get another one that fits. I might get a whole new bezel for it, maybe the whole new bell for it. I don't know, but whatever the case is, I did get the tail light on, as you saw, but the headlight, no go. So I'm gonna go to something else on the headlight. I'll figure that out. That's for another episode though. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. We're gonna wrap it up now. Appreciate it. If you could be so kind to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me the thumbs up, and also hit that little bell. Now what that little bell is that is a notification alert. It's going to let you know every time I upload something new, every Tuesday, every Saturday on the Blue Sart Biker channel on YouTube here at 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, all right? And also check out some of my other videos. You'll like those. I got 179 videos or something like that back there. Check them out. Watch some of the things I've done. Go along with me, ride along, have some fun. But anyways, this is it. We're going to wrap this video up for today because it's cold and it's raining and I don't have anything to do today, so I'm done. So thanks for watching, all right? We'll see you next time right here on the Blue Sart Biker channel.